See if I can make this video in 30 seconds. I bought this NearMoon 12-inch rainfall shower head with the Delta diverter. There's also an 8-inch and a 10-inch. I installed it. I saw videos where they said that after they installed it, it leaked at the hinges. I didn't have that. And I bought the diverter so I could keep the old shower head, which is this one here. And obviously here's the new one, and right in here is a diverter. Just show you. I've got no leaks. There's the shower head, with the diverter, got the old shower head, so I can use both, and that's it. I've got no complaints. I've only installed it about an hour ago, so only time will tell whether it lasts. And it looks like not quite 30 seconds.
So if you can see, this is the shower head that I bought for the kids, and you can actually adjust it to move up and down. My kids actually love to take a shower now, and I am single mom, so it was easy to install, and it comes with everything in it, and you can move it and adjust it. And I got my son out of my shower, so that's the best part. Awesome product.
I have to say I was quite impressed. For $30, and it's metal, and it has a very good stream. And it's adjustable all different ways.
Okay, I know my hand is small, but it's a pretty good size. And it came with this to cover it. Look, it's so thin and shiny.
It works pretty well. It has the adjustable top, and it comes out nice. Here's the water.